What's up guys, today we're going to review the Annchep automatic QI fast wireless charger for iPhone and Samsung series with infrared sensor, automatic closing and opening for the mobile phone. So let's open it. It's very hard to open. Because of the sensitivity of the product, it's sealed with very careful tips and tricks. Wireless car charger and automatic induction. It's looking very beautiful and gorgeous product. Angle regulating, two-way mounting, wireless car charger, automatic induction, BWW01 model. Sorry, the model is BWWC01, as this is the holder in which we put in our mobile, and this is backside of it. It's looking very beautiful and luxury. Fast charge mentioned on it, and there are some two lenses sensors for automatic opening and closing of the mobile case. And open the other things, uh, a beautiful USB cable, a black colored USB cable. It's very interesting looking and one of the best cables I had ever seen. The product link for buying this product is given in the description. Don't forget to check it out. This is for attaching the wireless car charger and car phone holder in anywhere. This can be attached to the charger. And at the end we will find this holder attached to the mirror, or you can put it on the desk. It has very luxury style and color material. All the products I am pressing it in the order. So now trying it live in the car. Setting it up in my Mehran car for my iPhone to test it out. It's looking very fine. Flip for to be attached on the mirror. Let's create vacuum with pressing the button, attaching it with the charger, tightening it, and resizing it according to my needs, as this will create now a vacuum on the mirror and hold it tightly. There we go. Let me set this up and tighten successfully. Now wireless car charger and phone holder for mobile phones. Let's put the cable inside the charger. As you can see, it's automatic opening and closing. As you can see, when I put finger on the sensor, it's open. Let me put the mobile in this, my iPhone. As you can see, it's charging the mobile. Let me try it again for you. As I had also covered my mobile with case, it's charging. As you can see, it's automatic closing and opening, charging successfully. Don't forget to check the link given in the description. Bye bye.